Once you've configured your chapter for grading in Pressbooks, you can now come to your Blackboard course to add that content here. To do so, you're going to come to the course content area and click the Add Content button. From here, we'll select Content Market. We're going to find the one that has the name of your Pressbooks network, or that says something like Pressbooks Content Selector. Once you've selected it, you'll see a deep linking content selector. We want to select Pressbooks Results Viewer because we're using Pressbooks Results, and then we'll come down and find the book that you've just configured for grading. You'll see two types of links. One is a linked resource, which means it's just going to be a link to the content in your book, and the other is a graded assignment, which means when it's brought in, Blackboard will create it as a graded assignment with a gradebook entry that syncs grades to your course. You can select all or simply select a few examples of content you'd like to bring in. When you're finished, you're going to click Select Content. Now you can see that the course content has been brought into Blackboard. Each of these are links, and the ones that were configured as graded assignments are gradable assignments. So if I click the Edit button, we'll see that it's visible to students. We can assign a due date here, so I might say the end of September, and we can choose how many points this is worth. In this case, I want this activity to be worth 20 points. I can give it a grade category, or whatever I'd like to do. And I'd like to say this is just for formative assessment, excluded from the final grade, as well as giving it a description or any additional configuration that I'd like to do. Save that. I'll come to the next activity. I'll edit this one to be worth, say, 30 points. And then I'm done configuring at that point. I've brought in content from Pressbooks, I've configured it for grading in Blackboard, and I'm ready to use this with students.